Hi makers! Welcome back to another easy quilt block tutorial. Today, we're creating the checkered twist block, a fresh, modern twist on the classic checkerboard pattern. In this block, we're featuring the sophisticated low-volume prints from our Mineral Fusion collection. These natural textures and muted lines blend beautifully for a chic, modern aesthetic. For a perfect pairing, we're using Dedecostitch Elements in Rain Cloud to complement the stunning labyrinthine mineral. Cutting requirements are in the description of the video, and a friendly reminder to press your seams, sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and most importantly, have fun. And the checkered twist block is complete. With our Mineral Fusion fabrics, you can mix, match, and rotate this block to create show-stopping quilts or gorgeous table runners. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quilting inspiration. Until next time, happy sewing!